Hey guys, Richard here from Car Sound Security, and what we got today here is a Mini Cooper 2017 John Cooper Works. And what we've installed on this vehicle is the factory integrated onto the original screen CarPlay and Android Auto. So we have not changed the unit, so everything's original on this car. So we have not changed the unit. So but the way this system works, it's all integrated onto your factory system. It keeps it all intact, and you can switch to it by using your factory button. So I'm going to switch now, as you can see. So we got full CarPlay running on it, so all factory integrated. This car did not come with CarPlay, so we can retrofit onto it. So yes, you can get CarPlay or you can get Android Auto, whichever phone you use. And also the plus, it's fully wireless, so no wires needed, all runs off wirelessly. If you want to use a wire, you can use a wire on it as well. Just give you a quick demo on how the system works. So you can use your factory controller, so no additional controllers needed, all works on the original system. So you can navigate it and switch stuff like maps, Spotify, all the supported apps on CarPlay will work, or Android Auto, it will show up on there. Yeah, so you got full support on that, full control. Brings it up to a modern standard, so you can use all your favorite apps on here. So you got stuff like WhatsApp, TuneIn Radio, you know, all that stuff you can use on here. And also additionally, you have on this system is what's called phone mirroring, so you can mirror your phone onto the screen as well. So I'm just going to show you that now. Okay, so now I got phone mirroring running on it. So the way phone mirroring works on this system is through the cable. So you connect it to your phone and you can mirror your phone on the screen. As you can see, anything you do on the phone will show up on here. So stuff like YouTube and stuff. So if you want to watch movies, you can watch movies on here. All comes on the original screen, and the sound as well all comes through the original system as well. Just show you here. Just forward. As you can see, you've got full video running on there, and the sound as well.
None of your ancestors learned. My father rules an entire
full movie experience in here as well using the phone.
He's getting a richer one. He'll lose that one too. Arrakis is a death trap.
Yeah, so if you want this system installed on your vehicle, give us a call on 028-554-5554, or even come visit us at Gansfield in Ilford, Car Sound Security, the best shop to get all your stuff integrated onto your vehicle. And yeah, and also just so you can see, your factory system stays intact as well. So yeah, you can use your factory system as well. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to our videos for more videos coming. Thank you.